Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn some of the GW basic commands which are included in your SMART course from class 10th computer science book.
Before starting commands, you must need to know few things. Whenever you are going to attempt the commands question in the paper, you have to write the command name first. Then you have to write the purpose or definition of the command, its syntax, at least one is very important, others are your choice. And one example is must of that command. Writing line numbers all the time is a very hectic routine. To avoid this, we use auto command. This command automatically generates line number in increasing order each time the enter key is pressed. Syntax is very simple. You can just type auto or you can write auto line number with increment it is mentioned, auto period or dot with increment. You can use break or control C to terminate the auto command. Here is an example of auto command. When I applied auto command, it automatically generates the line number. And after completing my program, I want to execute it, but it won't allow me. For that purpose, I have to apply Ctrl C from the keyboard to terminate the auto command and then execute the program to get the output. Here are some more examples for auto command. Auto dot comma 50 means the dot indicates that it will follow the previous line numbers, comma 50 means with the increment 50. As you can see, the line number is 10, then 60 and then 110. In another example, I have typed auto 100, comma 20 means that it will start from line number 100 and will give the increment as 20. So the line numbers are 100, 120, 140, 160 and so on. The next is edit command. This command is used to modify a program line. If you write edit line number, it will allow you to edit that specified line number. And if you write edit dot, it will allow you to edit the current line number. Let's see some examples for edit command. The first one is edit 5. 5 is the line number. It will allow me to edit the line number 5 and I have changed the value from 20 to 30. When I list down the program, you can see in line number 5 the value of second as 30 because it is edited now. In another example, if I have typed paint in line number 101 and after pressing enter I have seen that I have wrong spelled the keyword print. So I can type edit dot to edit the current line. The next is the list command. This command is used to display a loaded program, partially, a part of it, or completely on the screen. Its syntax is simple. You can just type list or list line number dash line number with file name, list line number dash and file name, list dash line number and file name, or you can use F1 key to list the program. These will be more clear to you after doing examples with me. Here are some examples for list command. If we type simply list, it will show us the whole program. If we type list 10 to 30, it will show us from line number 10 to line number 30. If we type list dash 40, it will show us from the start till line number 40. And if we type list 30 dash, then it will show from line number 30 till end of the program. The next is the load command. This command is used to load the file from hard disk to memory RAM. Its syntax is simple. You have to type load with file name and load file name comma R. If you don't write R, it will not be executed after loading, but if you write R, then it will be executed after loading the file. F3 key is also used for loading a file. Here is an example. If I write load sumfile.bs, it just showed me an OK message. But if I write load sumfile.bs, R, it will execute the file and show me the output too. The next command is run. This command is used to execute the program currently in the memory RAM. If the program is not in the memory, then you have to first load it and then apply the run command. Its syntax is simple. You can just type run or run line number, R, where line number is a specific line number you want to run and comma R makes sure that all the data files will be kept open while executing that line number. Or run file name comma R. You can run a specific file name with comma R, making sure that the data files will kept open. F2 function key is also used to run the program or execute the program. Here is an example of run command without parameters. You can see there is a program and I have applied the run command without any parameter. It has given me the output as sum is equals to 12. Let's see another example using run command for line number. In this program, I have written 3 lines 60, 70, 80, print DPS, print Pakistan and print computer. When I executed it, I have mentioned line number 70 and you can see the output. It has given me the output for line number 70 and the lines after that. Here is an example of using run command for a file. I have written a simple program taking two numbers and printing their sum and average. I have saved this file with the name sumavg.bs. When I executed the program run with the file name sumavg.bs, it has shown me the output. And you can run it with comma R. I told you that comma R is used to keep all the data files open. You can avoid it or you can write it. It's up to you, your choice. The next is the save command. This command is used to save the file in the hard disk for later use. Syntax is save with the file name in double quotes. It will save the file in the compressed binary format to consume less space. If you save file name with comma A, it will save the file in ASCII format, American Standard Code for Information Interchange that you have learned in class 9th. Save file name comma P will save the file with encoded binary format and you cannot edit or modify the line numbers of this file. F4 key is also used for save command. Let's see an example for save command. I have written a program to calculate the sum and average of two numbers. The first syntax is save sumfile.bs. It will save this file in compressed binary format. When I type save sumfile.bs, comma A, it will save it in the ASCII format. And when I type save sumfile.bs, comma P, it will save it in encoded binary format. And for the 3, it has shown me an OK message, means that it has saved my file in the way I want. The last command for today, system. This command is used to exit from GW basic screen and return to operating system environment. Syntax is simple. You just have to type system and press enter. Check out, I'm going to apply the system command by just typing the word system and then by pressing enter, I have returned to Windows screen. That's it from today. Till next lecture, take care and Allah Hafiz.